Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, confident, and proud of your body. What if we told you that achieving your dream body is within reach? Everyone has their own vision of what a nice body looks like, and that's okay. But no matter what you want to look like, keeping your body healthy, fit, and strong is an important part of living well. Cardio is an essential part of a healthy body and working towards a nicer body. Through cardio, you'll gain endurance and energy, making your body feel and look more active. Over time, cardio can also be both fun and relaxing. Steady-state cardio might look like a 30-60 minute jog or light to medium intensity work on a stair or rowing machine. Cardio supports healthy weight goals, improves blood pressure and blood sugar, decreases your risk for heart disease and stroke, improves sleeping habits, and elevates your mood. Your 150 minutes of aerobic activity might look like walking briskly, an easy bike ride, or just spending time cleaning the house. Strength or resistance training with weights isn't just for bodybuilders. It strengthens your muscles and increases your metabolism, letting you burn more calories at rest. Although hitting the weights can feel intimidating, you'll get the hang of it soon, and can tone, tighten, and define your muscles. It's typically recommended to do anywhere from 2-3 days of strength training each week. Do exercises that work out each major muscle group in your body, like your arms, legs, core, and back. Try doing bicep curls to target your arms. Perform weighted squats to work your legs and glutes. Try renegade rows to strengthen your core and abs. To meet your 2-3 times a week strength training guideline, you never have to leave the house. Some of the best exercises you can do to get a toned or shredded body fast can be done with just your own body weight. By increasing the amount of repetitions you do for each exercise, you build up greater strength. Get into the habit of doing some of these extremely effective exercises a few times a week, especially when you can't make it to the gym. Doing push-ups, which work out your chest, shoulders, and arms. Performing squats, strengthening your glutes and the rest of your lower body. Doing pull-ups, which work out your back and the rest of your body. Performing crunches, which are a great ab workout. Holding a plank, which builds your core strength. HIIT workouts, or high-intensity interval training, have become praised as an especially efficient workout. They're best done in combination with traditional cardio and strength training. These types of workouts burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time, especially calories from fat, and have been shown to keep your metabolism raised long after the workout was completed. Although HIIT workout classes are popular, you can also do HIIT at home. Fitness classes let you push yourself harder and get results faster. Studies have shown that people who take fitness classes tend to see better results than individuals who work out exclusively by themselves. Taking a fitness class, whether it's yoga, Pilates, boxing, or circuit training, can introduce you to exercises that are new to you, which keeps things exciting and stimulates your muscles in a new way. If you want your hard work in the gym to pay off, you'll need to give your muscles a chance to relax and recover. It's during this recovery time that your muscles will become stronger after a workout. You can either take a complete rest day, which means no exercise at all, or an active rest day, which might include a light jog or some stretching. Maintain a balanced diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fat-free or low-fat dairy products, and protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, eggs, and nuts. While you don't need to avoid them completely, processed foods like pastries, candy, processed meats, and chips tend to get in the way of your body goals. If you're trying to build muscle, be sure that you're getting plenty of lean protein from sources like chicken, eggs, fish, or tofu. Drinking fluids is a key component of helping your body run at its best. Additionally, your body may confuse thirst with hunger, so keeping hydrated can actually make it easier for you to lose weight. Most health professionals recommend consuming at least 8 glasses of water daily. Stick to clear, no-calorie fluids. As part of your journey to getting a nicer body, You may decide to gain or lose weight. Weight gain and loss are based on how many calories you consume. Obsessing over the number of calories you take in can hurt your mental health. If you feel like you're constantly thinking about calories, take a break from counting them, and just focus on eating nutritious food. Sleep is an essential restorative process for your body. It's the key to good health and maintaining your body. Avoiding nicotine and excessive alcohol use makes you look and feel better. Both smoking and alcohol can cause a variety of side effects, including damaging healthy skin and teeth. Chronic stress is never a good thing. If you do not manage stress, you may start to notice some physical symptoms which may work against your desire for a nicer body. Any body can be a nice one if you love the way you look. While working on your physical health and fitness is always good, try not to let your goals hurt your current self-esteem.